Hello students, now we perform the experiment to plot the charging and discharging curve of capacitor. For this is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram where the resistance it is a 10 kilo ohm and capacitor it is a 1000 microfarad and 25 volt. This RC series connection it is a connected across the 30 volt regulated power supply. Here switch is provided. With the help of this switch we can measure the voltage across the capacitor during the charging and discharging. First terminal it is for the charging and second it is for the discharging. So with the help of voltmeter we can measure the voltage across the capacitor. For this experiment observation table it is time it is in a second and voltage across the capacitor. With the help of this experiment we will plot the graph voltage versus time during the charging and discharging of the capacitor. So these two tables for the charging of capacitor and discharging of capacitor. With the help of timer we measure the voltage across the capacitor at the instant of switching, that is at a 0 second, then 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, 50 second, up to fully charge the voltage capacitor. So voltage across the capacitor it is a 25 volt. So the voltage across the capacitor for fully charged up to 25 volt. Okay. This is the arrangement as per circuit diagram. Here we use the regulated power supply DC. With the help of this we get the 0 to 30 volt voltage. So from the positive terminal it is connected to the positive terminal of this RC series circuit. Then negative terminal it is connected to the negative terminal of the regulated power supply. For measuring the voltage across the capacitor, here we use the 0 to 30 volt DC voltmeter which is connected across the capacitor, and from the capacitor it is connected to the negative supply with the help of connecting wire. With the help of stopwatch, here I use mobile for the measuring the time in a second in terms of difference 10 seconds. With the help of varying the knob we set the voltage up to 25 volt. Now supply is given 25 volt. Now switch the terminal on first, so it start to charging, and measure the voltage across the capacitor at the interval of 10 seconds. Okay, so I will take the reading